Have you ever felt the ache of a wound that words couldn't heal? This moment is for you. We live in a world aching for healing. A world where wounds run deep, in families, friendships, even within ourselves. And yet, there's one word that holds the power to restore what's broken. Forgiveness. This verse isn't a condemnation. It's a mirror. A reminder that none of us are perfect. We all stumble. We all carry regrets. We all need grace. Forgiveness isn't just a spiritual concept. It's the foundation of healing. It's the bridge between pain and peace. Between guilt and grace. Between brokenness and love. Why we all need forgiveness. Think about the last time you hurt someone. Maybe it was a harsh word. A moment of silence when you should have spoken. Or maybe, you've been the one hurt. Carrying the weight of betrayal, abandonment, or injustice. Forgiveness isn't about pretending it didn't happen. It's about releasing the grip of bitterness. It's about choosing freedom over resentment. The human condition, we all fall short. Romans chapter 3 verse 23 doesn't single anyone out. It levels the playing field. All have sinned. Not some. Not just the ones who made headlines. All. That includes the preacher, the parent, the prodigal, the perfectionist. We all need forgiveness, because we all fall short. But falling short doesn't mean we're beyond redemption. It means we're candidates for grace. Forgiveness as a path to healing. Forgiveness is not weakness. It's strength. It's choosing to let go of the poison so you can heal. It's saying, I won't let this pain define me. When we forgive, we reflect the heart of God. A God who doesn't wait for perfection. But meets us in our mess. A God who sent his Son not to condemn, but to restore. Receiving and extending forgiveness. Before we can extend forgiveness, we must receive it. We must believe that we are forgiven. That grace is real. That mercy is available. First John chapter 1 verse 9 says, faithful, just, not reluctant, not hesitant, but eager to forgive. And once we receive that forgiveness, we're called to pass it on. To forgive others as we've been forgiven. Not because they deserve it, but because we didn't either, and yet, God forgave us. Closing. Forgiveness is freedom. forgiveness doesn't erase the past. But it rewrites the future. It's the beginning of healing. The birthplace of love. The echo of grace. So today, ask yourself, who do I need to forgive? What do I need to release? And most importantly, have I received the forgiveness that God freely offers? Because healing begins when we say, I forgive. And even more powerfully, I am forgiven. Let this week be a time of reflection. Ask yourself, where do I need forgiveness, and where can I offer it?